Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to change your Venmo password. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to go ahead and be opening up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go ahead and open up venmo.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up, and on your mobile phone you want to go ahead and download the Venmo application and open it up. So once you have done so, now we can get started. The first thing we need to do to change our password is, if you already know your account, you can change your password directly from within your account. So you're going to log in normally, go ahead and log into your Venmo, and once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the home page. Your home page is going to look like this. You're going to go and be able to access your payment sections, you're going to have your home section, cards, and so on. And now we can get started. I'm going to go and be showing you what to do as well if you have forgot your password. But if you already know your account and you just want to change your password, what you're going to do is go into the Me section right here. So you're going to go ahead and open up Me in the bottom right corner, click on your account profile picture, and after opening it up, it's going to look like this. This is your home page where you want to click the settings icon in the upper right corner. By clicking the settings icon, you're going to go ahead and get started with changing your password. There's going to be a security option that's going to enable you to change your password. You can follow the steps by entering your old password and then choosing the new one that you want to use and saving your settings, and that's how you can do it. If you do not even know your password because you forgot it, you can go into the login option. So by clicking login, it's going to enable you to enter in your email, mobile, or password, whichever you want to use. And if you have forgot your password, what you can do is, on this next page when logging, click the forgot password option. By clicking forgot password, it's going to enable you to follow the instructions in your email to change your password if you do not remember it, and that's basically how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.